Connecting a webcam. Now, let us see the stepwise procedure to connect the webcam to a computer. Fix the webcam to the monitor screen. Place the webcam on the top of the monitor screen. Open the flexible camera base present at the bottom of the webcam. Fix the webcam on the top of the screen. Connect the USB connector to the computer cabinet. Insert the USB connector into the USB port on the computer cabinet. Connect the audio jack to the computer cabinet. Insert the audio jack into the audio port on the cabinet. Now, we have completed the procedure to connect a webcam to the computer.